Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your passcode on iPhone. To do this, go to your settings, Face ID and passcode. Then you will need to enter your current passcode. Then you need to scroll down, change passcode, give your current passcode, and enter new one. It may ask this question, but you can just press use anyway. Now you need to verify it. And now it's loading. Now it's changed and it should work fine. Let's check. As you can see, it works fine. Thank you for watching video. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting it.